before this vlog gets started, I wanted to let you guys know that it is a roller coaster of emotions. It started off really fun and ended off with us calling 911. But we made it back alive, and that's all that matters. But just keep watching to see what happens. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is Bree, by the way.
Vlog, it's been a minute.
Yeah, actually, you were my last vlog that I posted.
Oh, well, filming wise.
Yeah, filming
it's been
wise.
a minute for us.
Yeah, but today we're going skiing / snowboarding in Beech Mountain.
Her first time. Bree will be the instructor today, and it's gonna be so much fun. Wait, did you decide if you're skiing or snowboarding?
Skiing.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Skiing.
Okay, so I thought I would give you guys an outfit of the day. My room is a little bit messy, but just ignore that. So, my shirt is from Gymshark, and then my leggings are Lululemon. They're like the thermal ones. And then I have this jacket, which is the scuba hoodie, and it's from Lulu. And then this hat is from Target.
Cute. Well, I'm not dressed yet.
Okay.
But I've got an under tank top on that's Lulu, just for sweat. And then I've got this Lulu, what's this jacket called? Just the line? No.
I think it's the crop defined jacket.
And then, well, I still have my PJ pants on, but they're Skims. Shout out to Carly.
Carl, she also gave us these gloves. And
well, she doesn't know.
Oh. Carl's, if you're watching this, just know.
Thanks for the gloves. Found them safely.
Well, she still has my flannel, so that's gonna be my excuse for everything.
She was packing my jacket too.
Oh.
When she was packing her bag yesterday, to go to Raleigh. I was talking about how I left clothes there, and she pulled out my jackets and back. I was like, yeah, you can follow that.
But I got these bibs off of Amazon. So.
Wait, show me the goggles.
Oh, okay. And then I also got these goggles off of Amazon. But these are life hack. If you're size small or extra small, get a kid's extra large or large, and it'll probably fit you. So, and I have long legs, and they fit. Okay. So I'm gonna have these eggs, this coffee, and some chocolate croissants. Wants to do an updated fit check.
So we got everything a little figured out. Bubble braids to preserve the curls.
Wait, I'm gonna go this way so the lighting's better.
Okay. Bubble braids to preserve the curls, and my South Dakota hat, and I have a toboggan I'm gonna put on later. And everything else is the same, but
cute.
This made a difference.
Yeah. Cute.
Everyone has never been like this.
Don't get that in the vlog. Bree let me borrow this jacket. So I'm gonna wear this jacket, but I don't have my bibs on. Bibs? I don't know how to say it. I don't have my bib on.
I wanna
but
see.
Oh. Well, we came to Publix to get some sandwiches so that we have food there. So, yeah.
This is gonna be hilarious.
This is either gonna be really good or really bad.
She's gonna like bulldoze a little kid. Like I just could see that. It's like snow.
Guys, it's snowing! It's snowing! It's snowing!
I know that y'all don't get it. Know that you was with them.
So we came to this place to get some rentals. You guys think I was talking to you?
Yeah, I thought you were talking to.
It's snowing.
Yeah, we could do that.
You can barely see me, but I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna close this door. There we go. Now you can see me. But this is a struggle trying to get these skis up. Okay. But Wait, is my helmet in here? Or Daniela has my helmet?
She has it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, wait.
I don't know how we're gonna...
Can you roll down the window and like close it and let her roll down the window?
Oh. And let's play the board. Like not scratch it. Alright, beautiful. Yeah.
I wasn't gonna eat it all.
Wait. Sandwich time.
Wait. Look. Did I forget my scarf? Oh.
So we're kind of stuck.
I think that's a car
in the snow.
I'm not pressing anything.
Guys, we almost didn't make it because the car started spinning.
To be honest, we might be better off later.
You can't even see me.
You definitely don't have this. Hey, there you go.
My bibs, my little breeze coat, hat. Yeah, okay, bye. So we're back and we're literally frozen. So I learned that I'm not good at skiing, but that's okay.
Patience was humbled today.
Very. My hair's probably in a knot.
At least you tried.
Yeah, at least I tried. And I did improve from the beginning to the end.
Yeah.
So.
That's all that I'm doing.
Yeah. But it's a literal snowstorm out here, so.
Oh.
I still have like my bib halfway on.
Don't hit your windshield wipers before I turn them.
And now we're trying to decide if we're gonna make it out alive. So we're trying to get up this hill. You can't really see me because it's so dark, but here, there we go. We're trying to get up this hill, and it's not really working out. It's kind of scary.
Oh, it's not at you. It's that. I know, but what was the point in them doing that? Because they're assholes.
How are they even? Yeah.
We have multiple other wrecks right now.
So basically, as we were trying to get up the hill, a fireman passed us, and he could see that we were struggling, and he was like, if you guys go up any further, then you're not gonna make it. Like, you're gonna slide down the hill, because the hill was just getting steeper. So he was like, you need to reverse and pull onto the side of the mountain and wait for someone to ice the roads and then go up. But then we ended up waiting there for hours, and we didn't want to run out of gas or have the battery die, because we would be freezing out there with no heat in the car, and we only were surviving off of a bag of chips and water. So we were like, if they don't come like in the next couple hours, we're gonna have to call the cops, because like there's just no way we're gonna get out of this. So in this clip we were calling 911.
And people that, you know, that roads are impassable. So we're just trying to get to everyone as quickly as we can, but it's going to take a while.
Okay. All right. I just want to make sure that,
currently the Beech Mountain Parkway is closed, so.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure, you know, people know we're out here, because I don't want my battery to die and, you know, gas to run out.
Gotcha.
And all of that. So I just want someone to know we're out here.
Okay. All right. I got you, mate.
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So basically, they called the cops and they were no help.
She was kind of mean.
Yeah.
I feel like she's had 100 calls like this. I mean, yeah, probably. She said this whole road is closed off. I love how we were like,
why is 911 passive aggressive?
We drove past it 3 more times.
So we made it alive, and we were yeah. And we returned our snow gear stuff. And now we're at Wendy's and trying to enjoy our life again. Today is the absolute longest day of my entire life. This vlog is like a roller coaster of emotions. But my first time skiing was somewhat of a success. I don't know if I would do it again, but I'm glad I did it. The first 5 minutes of my experience skiing, I almost twisted both of my ankles. And that should have been the first red flag. Then, but yeah, I think today was just jinxed. I also forgot to mention today is Friday the 13th. And when we first got there, everyone was like, today's gonna be an amazing day. And I think they jinxed us, so. Yeah, it's 10:51, but it feels like it's 3 a.m. right now. It took us 6 hours to get back, and it's only 2.5 hours away. So, yeah. Very, very long day. But I'm gonna change. Bree is using my shower. So when she gets out, I'm gonna shower and go to bed because, yeah, I gotta work in the morning and pretend like none of this happened and like I almost didn't get stranded on a hill. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.